We're gonna make a super easy but very cute Halloween table topper. So if you're ready, let's make it. With the right sides of the fabric together, trace a circle on the fabric around the edge of the large bowl, or use a circle pattern. You'll need Halloween-themed fabric, a large bowl or platter with a 16-inch or more diameter to use as a pattern, eyelet trim, a sewing machine, marking chalk, fabric scissors, and straight pins. On one layer of the fabric, pin the trim around the edge facing inward onto the right side of the fabric and sew it in place. Halloween is the perfect time to get creative with your home decor, especially when it comes to your table. So whether you're hosting a party or just having a spooky dinner with your family, setting a festive table will help everyone get into the spirit of the holiday. Lay the second circle with the right side facing down on top of the circle with the trim. Pin them together and sew around the edge, leaving a 3-inch opening. Turn the finished circle right side out. And press all the way around. Turn the raw edges of the opening in. Finally, top stitch around the table topper for a clean, finished look. And there you have it, a spooktacular Halloween table topper. It's a sweet place to put the trick-or-treat candy bowl, or use it to create a festive Halloween table setting. Everyone will love it. Happy Halloween!